Hello, sir. I'm Rupal from Industrial Outlook magazine, and we are here for RAI 2023. Let's start this conversation with a small introduction of yourself.
So, good afternoon and welcome to the Havells booth at REI, and we are also equally happy to have you here. And to get into a brief introduction about Havells Solar Business Unit. So, this is a solar business unit named as Enviro within the Havells Group, and we started business in the solar landscape about 4 or 5 years ago. We have reached a decent enough scale, and we would like to move from here to the next level by offering the industry cutting edge technology products by way of solar modules, inverters, and new products to come in to benefit the customer, the end customer in the marketplace.
So, could you brief us about Havells Enviro?
So, as I said, Havells Enviro is the solar business unit within the Havells Group. We are based out of Noida, but we leverage out of 40 odd offices of Havells India all across India. And these are complemented by nearly 15 warehouses strategically placed in India, and also supported by nearly 4,500 distributors reaching to the remotest part of India, and equally supported by close to 250 service stations in India. So this kind of a setup is very unique, especially for the solar industry, and I don't think anybody would have this kind of a setup in India today. So we are leveraging this network to reach the final user, even in the remotest part of India, with a complete turnkey solution, which Havells Enviro stands for, by way of not only constructing the solar project, but also conceptualizing it, designing it, and finally offering the customer a turnkey solution to power their own loads at a particular place.
If we talk about adapting new technology, how Havells Enviro is adapting new technology advancements?
Well, in the last 5 years, technologies have changed so fast. It's a very, very brisk pace. And almost every year, every 1 year, you will hear a new technology either in the inverters or in the module space. And the way we have done it is being strategically placed in India, we have formed long term relationships with key component suppliers, and we have forged supply relations with these companies, and these companies happen to be in the top 10 in the world. We kind of are able to leverage new technologies as the latest N-type TOPCon in module, and even the HJT modules coming up, along with new technologies in grid-tied inverters as well as off-grid inverters to serve customers both on the off-grid and the grid connect type all over India.
Could you brief us about recent developments from Havells Enviro?
The most recent development, I would say, especially at the Renewable Energy Expo right now, is today morning we launched our state-of-the-art micro inverter, which is one of its kind micro inverter in India. We launched it today morning, and we hope that this micro inverter will offer great value to the end customer by way of effective load management and ability to to shift between on-grid and off-grid modes, keeping in view the grid situation in India. I mean, even today in India, the grid has not reached the final villager in India. So this product would be one of the latest updates in Havells Enviro.
So how, from if we talk about RAI 2023, what will be your biggest takeaway from this event?
Uh, for us as Havells Group, we can see that from REI, and yesterday I was in one of the conclaves, the biggest takeaway for us is that in the solar space, at least over the next 5 to 10 years, India is going to be a manufacturing hub for not just modules but also inverters, and this is the space that we are watching very closely, especially manufacturing of solar modules, the latest technologies of N-type and HJT, and we are keenly exploring this space very regularly, and trying to put this in our business plan going forward.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.